OpenClaw on DigitalOcean server. You can see that. So there are two ways to connect your DigitalOcean, either through the API key or the OAuth. You just follow the setup guide and set up your API token. You just need to go to the DigitalOcean and create an API key and paste it there. As I already connected my DigitalOcean account, I can just select that. I click on the region and select whichever region you want. And it is recommended to select at least 4 GB, but for the demonstration, I'm selecting 2 GB. Click on next. So here you're going to set up your first agent, the bot profile, wherein you will select the AI provider and paste in the API key. But the API key that I have posted is about the OpenRouter. So I just need to change the AI provider to the OpenRouter. You can see a lot of AI providers are supported. Let me paste the API key and click on verify. Now you can see API key is valid. Now you can also see that it has list of AI models to select from. For this demonstration purpose, I'm going to select Moonshot AI Kimi K2.5, which is little less expensive compared to the Anthropic Opus. Now in this demonstration, I'm showing you the Telegram bot integration. So if you have Telegram, open it, go to @BotFather and open this screen and type in /new bot and follow the instructions to create your first bot. As I have already created the bot, my bot is somebot1234 underscore bot. I have already have a token. I paste it here and click on verify bot token. Once it is valid, then you can click on next. Here you can see the summary of what's going to happen. It's going to do in the DigitalOcean and all. Check the box for after reading the OpenClaw security documentation and click on deploy server. It is going to take at least 10 to 15 minutes to provision your server. It is going to install all the essential components, including the security essentials, uh, Node.js, and everything that is required, including the browser. It's going to take care of everything that is required to run the OpenClaw successfully. Now we are at the 5%. I'm going to pause and come back. And now we are at 95%. It's going to take some time to finalize everything. It has all the essential that needs to be installed on the server. It is not the tutorial as it is for the DigitalOcean. You can also use it for Vultr, AWS, Hetzner, or anything. Even you can bring a custom VPS from Hostinger or OVH or GoDaddy, and you can set up that for you. So the website I am in right now is DeployClaw.com. You can visit DEPLOY deploy CLAW DeployClaw.com. Once you sign up, you will have a screen similar to mine, and you can start connecting your servers and start provisioning the server and start deploying there. Once it is deployed, you will have a dashboard so that you can manage everything. The good news is in one server you can install more than one agents. One agent for like one specific task. If you want, you can do that. Otherwise, you can use single agent for all the tasks that you need. This is very good tool if in case you want to install this and manage it by yourself, or you want to give it to some client. This is where you can deploy the OpenClaw server and start using it. It is now at 96%. Let's wait. Now it's finalizing. It's at 100%. Once it is provisioned, it will redirect to the pairing screen. Pairing is basically, if you remember, we tied this instance with Telegram. So here is where you approve the Telegram. So once you find your bot and click on that and click type something, can be any message, hi or hello. If you do not get the response yet, you just need to wait some time, because sometimes it's going to take some time to get the OpenClaw gateway up and running. We can also check in the dashboard if the gateway is up and running or not. Since it is not responding, let me go ahead and check the status of OpenClaw. I go to the overview page. There you can see the gateway saying it's running. So let me go back to my Telegram again and type in a message again. So now it's going to ask for the pairing approval. Either you can copy the code and paste it here for approval, or we have already detected that there is a pending request. Either you can approve or reject. Now we have approved it. So your Telegram bot is tied up with this instance. You can start chatting with it. Remember, we tied up with the Kimi K 2.5 using OpenRouter. So whatever you type, it's going to consume that API and give you the response accordingly. This is not the only way to communicate with your OpenClaw. OpenClaw ships with the web UI. You can use that web UI, and we have a feature of watching the logs as well. While you are doing something, you can just come here and start watching the logs and see what happens and make decisions based on that. You can optimize and you do the stuff that you want to do. And we also have a monitoring feature for the entire server. You can check the CPU usage, memory usage, and disk usage. You can come here once in a while and check how is everything performing, like that. Let me show you the agent screen. So this is the agent that we have created. You can add more agents as well. So there is no limitations. And this is the web chat. Web chat is a web UI that comes with the OpenClaw. So whatever you type in Telegram also be shown here. You can also start using your OpenClaw here without even touching the Telegram. Now I just said hello my friend. I'm just waiting for the response. I switched my theme from dark mode to the light mode.